Welcome back to my daily report market videos on Wednesday the 22nd of May with me, which is a market analyst at Hantec. Let's have a look at dollar yen, which climbed strongly yesterday. This uptrend recovery is really building. I spoke previously about the 109.70 to 110 big figure area of pivot, these old turning points that we've seen in the market since December. Really, breaking above that becomes a much more positive outlook, and that arrives with the fact that we've got a bull cross coming on the MACD lines. We've got stochastics rising, RSI rising, uptrend forming, a succession of higher daily lows on this chart. The latest was yesterday's at about 110 big figure, so that old support of the pivot becomes, that old resistance of the pivot becomes new support. You've got the trend you can see building on the hourly chart here. 110.25 was at a level that I was previously looking at. That was again another pivot, which was resistance, and then yesterday breaking out, that becomes supportive on a little corrective dip. You've got the MACD lines, which are positively set up above neutral on the hourly. We've got the RSI consistently now above 40, so a retreat back to 40 is a buying opportunity. 110.25 would be ideal, but it looks as though the market is already starting to form a bit of support on the hourly. 110.35. So we're at around that level, I think, at which the bulls are going to be starting to look again for an opportunity, certainly on the hourly chart. Daily chart, you could argue, back towards that uptrend 109.90, but unless there's a significant deterioration in today's outlook, you're not going to get that coming in today. But today's low, currently 110.35, as I said, 110.25 was that breakout level. Now, move above yesterday's high, 10.65, opens I'm going to say 111 big figure, 110.95 to 111 big figure. Bit of a pivot, actually, on this chart. The gap down from the support became resistance. And you can see that on the hourly chart here, 110.95. So move above 10.65 yesterday's high, opens that pivot again, and I think that will be tested in due course. So this is a recovery that is building nicely, weakness being bought into. Wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.